Don't be saying that.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Y'all been wanting the tea on how I found out I was pregnant. I'm gonna give it to you. Basically, this whole pregnancy journey started off with me finding out in the most unideal way, okay? It's not how I envisioned my pregnancy journey going. Nothing about it was cute, but you know what? It is what it is. It's part of my journey. So this all started out back in February. I wanna say it was like February 22nd, if I remember the date correctly. Yeah, I don't know what it was, but I've been taking pregnancy tests during that time frame like almost every day for like a good week straight, and they all were negative. And I just kept deleting the footage because I'm like, I ain't got time. I only got 64 gigabytes on my phone, y'all. Like, you know, these iPhones be using up space like it ain't nothing. Now, mind you, what really spiked me to keep taking these pregnancy tests was my mom. Okay, y'all don't hear me talk about my mom a lot. We don't have the best relationship. That is what it is. But she sent me a text and was like, "Are you pregnant?" And I was like, wait a minute, am I pregnant? No. Like, who just bust out and asked me that? Like, I just felt real disrespected in a way. Like, mind you, my mom is like hundreds of miles away. Like, how you even know? If I was pregnant, I would tell you I was pregnant. You don't have to text me and ask me type of vibe. That's what I was on, right? But we gonna touch bases with that later on in this video because y'all need to know everything else before we can really dive into that, right? So pretty much that sparked me taking all of these pregnancy tests.
Yo, does that say what I think it says? No. Where's my teeth?
I went to the store the day prior and I bought a pregnancy test, and they so happened to not have like one of the ones that said pregnant, not pregnant, because that's what I prefer to take. I don't like the whole line things because the lines be tricky. They be tricky, and it was tricky for me. Like, I sent it to my best friend who was like, you ain't gonna believe this. What you think? Like, am I pregnant or not? She like, go get a digital one. I'm like, girl, already the plan. You already know what's good. So I found out that morning in the bathroom with Noelle because we were currently potty training her, like just starting out on the whole potty training journey. That whole potty training thing is a real deal. She's completely potty trained now, by the way. But yeah, honestly, I wasn't too sure of it. Nonetheless, we went on our whole little day journey, and meanwhile I am literally like burning up inside, ready to explode and tell my husband, because I don't keep secrets from my husband, y'all. Like, I'm not one of them wives, okay? We have a very good relationship. We communicate how we're feeling. If I know something, he knows something. That's kind of our relationship, and that's just how we like it, and that's how we gonna keep it. We end up at Target. No big deal, no surprise, y'all. If you rock with me and you follow me on my Instagram, which you should, at @lavishlybritt, then y'all know I stay at Target. Okay, I probably gonna go to Target today after I record this video. Who knows? That's just the vibe I'm on, especially with me trying to furnish this house, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, like, I'm working on my kitchen currently, so I'm really excited about that because I've been finding some really, really good stuff for my house. But let me stay on task. We go to Target, and I had to come up with this whole fiasco of a story to stay in Target while my husband went back out to the car. So it ended up working. I pretty much said I forgot something, and it went like this. I'm in the Target restroom about to take another one. I haven't told hubby yet because I want to know for sure. I want to surprise him. I kind of want to make it special, but I'm not sure if I can because I'm struggling to even keep this from him all day. I'm in the bathroom with Noelle. Let's see how this goes.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this right now. I have no words because I took one earlier this morning and I was just like, it can't be true. It can't be true. Oh my gosh. Such a long story because I can't believe it. I didn't think. I have so much to tell you all. Like, oh gosh. I'm recording this on my phone because I didn't even think it was going to be true. Like, this is so
whole nice setup. I'm pregnant. Noelle. I can't tell her first actually because she's gonna blow the news to her daddy because she can't keep a secret. You all may not know if you haven't been like really in tune with my channel, but we did sell our house. So I can't do like this whole fancy reveal because we're staying with some friends. I'm about to go back into Target and actually get something to give him because I'm not gonna be able to keep this a secret long. I know me. I'm ready to like scream it to him right now. We're expecting baby to be. I can't believe it. Like we've been wanting this, but the timing is just not ideal. And I get to share it with my firstborn, and I'm so excited for her.
So after I took this pregnancy test and it said pregnant, I'm not gonna lie, I had a whole lot of emotions. I had to have a little cry session in the Target family bathroom with Noelle, and she's just a little shocked, like, mommy, what's going on? But I'm like, you know what? It is what it is. I can't change this. I gotta go with the flow. He's literally texting me now, you good? I know my husband, and it's only a matter of time before he starts to get worried. So I'm just gonna pick up a quick little card and get a gift bag and put the pregnancy test in there and go out into the car and surprise him because I cannot hold this in. I suck, y'all. I'm sorry. I literally cannot wait to tell her. She has no idea. She's just looking at these cards like, what are we doing, mommy? Oh well, I'm trying so hard not to shake, y'all. I have picked out 2 cards so far. Which one do you want to get to daddy? Pick one. This. You want to get, okay. I'm letting her pick the card. Then I got sad on the way home, which I couldn't record because my husband was in the car and I didn't want to be crying again. But I'm like, dang, this is not ideal. The timing just was not perfect. We get back home and it's a few hours later. So at this point, I've known pretty much all day because the sun is going down. I'm still a little sad and bummed out, yet nervous about telling him because this is just not how I pictured it, you know? Hold on. I'm thirsty. All this talking, I'm out of breath. I'm pregnant. I need something to drink.
Every day.
I know, but today Babe, come here. I have a gift for you.
I don't know what it is. Let me see.
Alright, put your hand in the bag. Grab this.
This?
Uh-huh.
I knew. I said I know what it is. When you said babe, I already knew what it was. I knew it. You know why? Because you ain't came on your period yet. And when you said that, I knew when you told I got surprised me. I said I already know what it is.
I knew it wasn't gonna be a shock.
I already know. And then why you giving me a gift out the bathroom?
I was gonna do it in there, but she watching TV.
How long you knew of it?
This morning. I took this one this morning.
I knew. I told you.
And then when I was in Target, I took this.
I told you. What'd I say?
You said I was pregnant.
Says you was pregnant. You ain't gonna believe me. Don't be saying that.
Guess what?
Don't tell her. She's probably gonna tell somebody.
I just didn't want her to tell you. She was in the bathroom with me.
She don't know.
Yeah. She picked the card though.
Well, I was like, what y'all doing in there, bro? I was like, I'm belling the toilet. I didn't even read it. All I seen was the little baby clothes.
Mm-hmm. Noelle, guess what? Guess what? You gonna have a brother or a sister. Why your sister? You're pregnant!
The reaction wasn't extravagant, it wasn't over the top, which I didn't really expect it to be because, like, that's just not my husband's vibe, especially under the circumstances. You know, things just were a little rocky at the time, like, things weren't our deal. If you've watched my previous 2 life updates and my house tour, you will see that, like, life for us has completely changed, okay? He's no longer in the military. You know, around that time, we were literally in the process of transitioning out. Like, he was still active duty in the military, and we had just sold our home, and we're trying to figure out where we're going. Coronavirus is starting to pop off. Like, it was just a lot.
I didn't want you to be. And I was like, but I think this is a better time than before.
I wasn't really like feeling the whole being pregnant around that time. And we had already been trying for a good whole year previous to this. So meanwhile, while people are constantly typing me, when are y'all gonna have baby number 2? Do y'all want more kids? Like, we're steady trying and nothing was happening. And mind you, around this time, literally the month before I got pregnant, I was going to the doctors to start infertility testing because although I had one baby, for some reason I was struggling with the next. This little mad uncomfortable, y'all, like. But let me just give you a little pregnancy bump update. I definitely need some new clothes, y'all. Like, I walk around in pajamas majority of the time. Your girl needs to go shopping for some clothes, so. I had to switch positions. I'm in the process of setting up my house and it's far from ideal, okay? But I didn't think being pregnant at that time was ideal at all. Like, there were many, many times throughout my pregnancy that I was so concerned that my pregnancy would not be a viable pregnancy, and I was distraught, okay? I've cried a whole lot during this pregnancy. New plans, baby number 2 on the way, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to like share more of this journey. I'm just trying to get y'all all caught up before like I start giving you kind of like my daily life and routines, because again, it's been a whole lot. I'm trying to settle into a whole brand new house and develop routines, because these past few months there's been really no routine. I've been living in so many different places, so many different locations. I've switched so many doctors, which mind you, I'm extremely stressed out about right now. Trying to find a doctor, trying to get everything settled before baby comes, figure out my doctor, figure out my birth plans. It's been a whirlwind of emotions. But let me go back and tell you about my mom. So my mom really is what initiated this whole trying to find out if I was pregnant thing, because little fun fact, when I was pregnant with Noelle, my mom had morning sickness every single day for 3 months. I don't get morning sickness at all, but my mom, however, she literally would get morning sickness every single day for the first 3 months. So my mom had been getting morning sickness for the past few days before she texted me, which is how she ended up figuring out that I was pregnant. And around the same time I told my husband that my mom texted me and told me that, right? He had a dream that I was pregnant. No, what is wrong with y'all? This is not pregnant. This is not the time to be pregnant. Like, stop wishing that on me. Stop saying that. Like, I'm not ready. We're about to do this big transition. Like, let's just get through this first and get settled. That's how I would have wanted it to go in my mind. But let's be real, things don't go as you always planned, and there was a bigger plan for me. And at this point, I'm going with the flow. I can't change it. You know, I'm just trying to keep a healthy, happy pregnancy so I can deliver a healthy, happy baby. And that's really been my focus. Just trying to get things handled. It was a lot of stresses to get to here. I had somebody on my side, if you catch my drift. Things are working out and I can't complain. I'm happy. I'm living a dream. I get to wake up in my dream house. We are literally going out shopping every day for that. So definitely drop a comment down below and let me know if you like some shop with me vlogs and things like that, because I have a lot going on. So my house is still empty, y'all. There goes hubby. Got you a snack. I am now on the upside of my pregnancy, like happy, you know, I got my skin together, y'all, because the stresses I was going through the first trimester. And my first pregnancy, like my skin was terrible the whole time. So I'm excited to bring you all along on the journey. So yeah, just make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at @lavishlybritt, so that way you can kind of keep up with me on the daily and see my baby bump grow, because I kind of show it daily now that I don't have to hide. I'm ready to bring you along for the journey, and I can't wait to see you all in my next one. And as always, remember, you're popping, you're beautiful, and I love you. Bye.